Hello everybody and welcome to this demo video of MedBoxz. It's one of the project that I built recently and it's a AI powered medical consultation assistant. It allows you to book consultation with a doctor that best fits your need, and then it would also help you manage those consultations. You can also cancel consultation and request for refunds. And in case of any conflicts, suppose you pay the money but it's not updated in the database, then in that situation, it would allow you to request for manual review. So it's basically trying to mimic a customer support. So now have a look at the project. So project looks something like this, and you can see the UI is pretty simple. And I'm using Streamlit for the front end, and over here you can type your query and like your problems, and according to that, it would decide which specialist you should consult to. Then it would also help you book consultation. So let me give you a demo of it. All right, so now you can see the consultation is booked. And if you look at the chats, so first I told my problem, and then it suggested a doctor, like which specialist should I go to. And then it asked if I would like to book a consultation. Then I said yes. Then it asked me for some information. I gave it to them, and then it booked that consultation for me. And now uh, I'll have to pay the money, and then after that the consultation would be confirmed. I mean, it would be booked. Before paying that money, the consultation status would be waiting. So we can pay the money from using this link, and from here you can pay. And there is one specific thing about this link is that it would only work till you make the payment. Like, I can open it as many time as I want. I can open it now as many time as I want. I can open it, but once I pay it, I can't open it again. The link would become invalid. So suppose I paid, success is equal to 2, and now if I try to use that same payment link again, as you could see, the invalid payment link. Now, as you can see, I paid the money, and now the consultation is booked and the payment has been received. So there is one more feature, as the Dr. Devansh Rao is already booked at 5. So now if I make another consultation with the same doctor, I should not be able to do this, right? So let's check that feature now. So let me type something. And as you can see, the Dr. Devansh Rao is busy at 5 because we already booked one consultation with him. Now he's not free. But if I cancel my consultation, then I can book one more consultation with him. When I cancel it, the doctor is free at that time, so it can take another consultation. So let's try that feature out. Now you can see the consultation with Dr. Devans Rao has been cancelled and a refund has been initiated with consultation ID this much. So now we have successfully cancelled our consultation. Now again, the doctor should be free at that time, so I should be able to make another consultation with him. So let's try that out. Okay, so now you can see we have successfully booked our next consultation because the doctor was free at that time, and a new payment link has been generated. So let's say we don't pay the money, okay, and then we ask for it. We tell them that we have paid it, and let's see how the AI behave. Ideally, it's a conflict. You are saying that you have paid the money, but the data that AI has, that data says that you have not paid the money. So AI can't do much in that situation. So what it would do, it would create a request for manual review in this case. So let's test that feature out. Again, it's again the security feature. whenever you ask for any manipulation in your consultation except booking, then you have to verify your identity, and for verification we're just asking for the email and the name. You can have complex kind of verification, but for this application, for this project, I'm just using this simple kind of verification system. So let me give that again. As you can see, the data that the AI has, that data says that I've not paid the payment yet. So that's why it's saying us to book a manual review, or I can retrieve the payment link again. So obviously we don't want to pay, so let's go with the manual review option. Apply for manual review. And as you can see, the manual review has been submitted regarding this issue. So this is the project that I built, and let's check all these conversations so far. So first of all, I gave my symptoms. I said I have cold and I'm not feeling well. So it suggested me to consult a doctor, and that to a general physician. Then I said I do want to book a consultation. Then it asked me for some details. I gave it to him, and then I booked the consultation, and then I got the payment link. I paid it, and then after that I checked my status. And as at that particular time the doctor is already booked, so I tried to book the same doctor one more time, but the doctor was not free, so we could not do it. As you can see, we tried to book another consultation, but the doctor was not free, so it could not book that consultation. Then after that we can't cancel our consultation, and then we booked the same consultation again. As you can see, we cancelled it, and then we booked the same consultation with the same details, and then we got another payment link. But this time we did not pay, and we say that we have paid it, so it's kind of a conflict. There could be multiple conflicts. For example, you got the money, like, you paid the money, but you also cancelled your consultation, but you did not got the refund, and in fact even the refund was not even initiated. That's also a conflict, and there could be multiple conflicts. We have not hard coded that conflict. AI get to decide what is conflict and what is not. So as it's a conflict, it it asks us to either we can generate a new payment link if we have not paid it yet, or we can apply for manual review. So we said go ahead and apply for manual review. Then AI created a manual review for us. And this is not just talking, it actually stored in the database also. So let me show you the MongoDB compass, where you can see the data that is been saved over here. So let me show it to you. As you can see, we have two consultation that the AI created. The email is same, and the one is cancelled, that we cancelled, and the second one is in waiting and payment is not received. And one would be the manual review here. And suppose you have like own customer support system, then you can have real human reading all these manual reviews, and it would take further action. So this was the project that I built, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.